Hello everyone, this is The World According to Jason, and thank you for tuning in. I wanted to provide a video that gave a little bit more access and a little bit more look into the adventure that we had using go-karts in Tokyo, without all of the narration and everything. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this extended cut, and we'll be back at the end. Once again, thank you for tuning in to an extended look at our go-kart adventure in Tokyo. If you're curious what it takes to experience this for yourself, please watch the other video I have on this, which will be linked in the description box below. It's more informative and walks you through everything you need to know before you get to Japan. As you can see, we had a blast doing this, and if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button as it really goes a long way. If you're interested in seeing more of my adventures, please subscribe and click that bell to be notified when new content drops. Until next time, stay curious.